I think you now take the.
We'll be approach control because we want you to stop. No. Change that on sale. It wasn't good process.
It's teabag decorative cup. Plastic cup.
Oh,
Paper cup.
how have you worked out?
Well, and he bought a storm Patrick, I'm afraid. I guess a couple of tuners. Working faultlessly, boss.
Faultlessly?
By the layout, maybe not the operator.
Define faultless.
You ain't seen a leak yet.
Yes, it's ready to go.
I was a bit slow with the shuttle. You were a bit faster.
No, I wasn't. I could have been a lot faster. There was a lot of hacking up going on.
Archer train needs to be an event.
I was approach controlling you with that signal because I was there.
Give me a day or so, I'll be back in the groove.
Yes. That.
Oh, you're coming up.
Right, if it's got guard, that's the break then. Okay, so.
Need to, don't jump off. It's fine. We're just heading off into the finger.
My arm there. Go that way. He's so cool.
One coming.
It's still not made it in yet. You won't have the passenger jumps in.
Oh, that's right.
Everything structured.
Anybody would think this is far out. Clearly not. Tonight's going to be very intense.
You get ready for your anti-banter.
Yeah.
Seriously, after I've done that, I would never practice that.
Yeah, exactly. I think you'll bring a
Don't think. Yeah? Yeah. That's what I quite like. The tourist. You stop at the platform then? That's the handover point, yes. Awesome. Yeah, it's not going down yet.
It's about 2 days walk to the other hall. You're out there, hang a left, and then a right.
Pushing past.
Yeah.
working hard on your behalf, all right? Yeah, he is.
Because actually now it's just I've got to wait until move 24 for anything to actually occur.
Yeah, you got the radio. Yep. Panic. Panic. We know what we're doing. You want to go down the hill, I think. All right, why don't you go down the hill?
That one's still moving.
What's still moving? There you go. Yeah, you should be going. Oh, hang on. Oh, no. You should just be able to move that.
You're stopping on the main. According to my instructions, you're stopping on the main. Patterns assume my favourite positions when operating the rider controller. Is it if I'm going up on top of that one, if I'm going down on this one?
Still coming down there.
No, we just made it.
I made it.
So you've got a minute if you when you want the minute, you let me know.
They got spare cassette. Ian, can we nick your spare cassette?
Does that look something?
What standards did you use for your job? How many pins did you? 6, isn't it?
We've forgotten the main controllers in
expectations. But I'm trying to think really slowly because it works. Oh yeah, take a little bit more space in there. Until I've already made one mistake. I put the wrong train in the wrong. Cool. Then you've got two banking struggling to take me off there. One of those.
Yes, that's what Paul.
I used to have a plus heavy training. If he's using this, I used to rub the cross.
I don't know what you always use something obscure.
It's heavy over.
If every time you go out, you end up backing up to pass people. It's no fun. Well, I'm going to go and find something to drink. Oh yeah, that would be great. I don't feel that.
Yeah.
The gauge is the size of the track.
It's the width between the rails.
I'll let you know. That's what it means.
This is double
Is that smaller than any other? What's the smallest?
It's the same as the people are the same height as all of it. But the rails are now.
Better.
The other one just did something funny as well.
I can wait for 6 o'clock, no patience.
Talk to your mate, Sven. Tram Fabric. Sven, yeah. No, he's in Norfolk. Tram Fabric. Google it.
You're going to put it on YouTube tomorrow. Yeah. The signals that you mean, look.
It's red and light. Green.
Oh, no, it's green. The signal's down, so I think that
It's so top.
I can see where it's going.
careful what you be careful.
You don't hit anybody.
Do you need any freight stock there? I think I have an extra freight. However, have one of those in there.
I'm a great believer in wiring tube.
Cobalts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where's the wire and tube? Not on here.
No,
There's
no,
no
I'm just
wiring
talking
tube.
about it.
He's-
I'm just being a bloody, yeah.
Philistine.
All, yeah.
Exactly.
Luddite.
Neanderthal. Yeah, Luddite.
Luddite. Neanderthal is much better, actually. I think it might stick.
Well,
Sorry. That was awfully rude.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because, you know, somebody's got to take charge now.
Look,
and it's just,
it took me 3 games to get that right.
I'm aware.
I remember the first time I'm doing
Yes, I'm aware.
Be patient with me.
It's entertaining the public.
We won't complicate. We won't complicate.
No, don't stress.
I need to
It's
be
incredible. Beautiful what you've done.
Hang on, that's good. Before that goes. Right. They've got some, I think they're matched it.
Are they?
Or something similar.
Oh, okay. So where are you guys based?
We're Wessex.
Wessex.
Fiona lives in Wimborminster.
Oh, Wimborne.
We're
Yeah.
both in Hampshire.
Yeah. I used to live in Romsey.
Oh, okay.
Right, in theory, that's a shot sign, shouldn't it?
No, that's not.
Should go.
One engine doing all the work. All right now. Looks like everything's working.
Yeah. Once you're out of the way, I'll do this next one. Off
The thing is now, your picture collection is so. And you see things like this. These are the basic things to go and look up. Those files, these ones that are. I mean, TVR was like half an hour. One. Sorry, I've taken over your job, sir. I know you like to stand there and orientate.
Screw that.
Mishmash.
underneath us, on the sunset, we've got that ball.
It's that shunt time, is it, Alan, where you know? Is that the level of where falling will be? Oh, so you leave that to see when you want to go. Well, I suppose then
Something wrong there. Something wrong. He was low on water,
Yeah.
so he needed to.
Yeah.
He needed to top up very quickly.
But the poor guy watching.
Is making the common chassis of the filling yard a good idea, or is it just going to be worth having two finishes, both independent, and therefore you get it correct?
Then we're going to join the two together. Yeah. The Foy one has to have a seat difference. This one has to have a branch difference. Because you can't have the fiddly on one end.
Yes, but yes, why is it not just along cords, one, not all cords?
Oh, you mean have fiddly arm and have a one scenic section, have a longer board with the two-stage fiddly arms and the longer front.
How soon do you feel that will be required anyway? Who's building it that you're going to take off?
Part of the local village hall once a year and play trains for me. That's for Western
Bring in the changes. I'm changing one of the 10 coaches.
There's nothing malicious rumours going around.
It's been raining and they've
I came into far station from down the hill into it. Breaking. So I then just threw the straight full application. Needle went down to 0. Nothing happened.
Oh dear.
Opened the drain cocks, checked me a little bit, came into the platform, back gear. Yeah, still not going.
I've
10 pounds in the chest and back gear.
easily I have one sailing through the platform and stopped it. Right.
Well, I will when I change the point of
Yeah.
and turn the point off and turn the signal off. Sorry, clear the signal, not clear the signal, put the signal back for danger.
You ready for this?
Yes, yeah, because that's really.
Take the rail car as soon as you're ready.
Oh, my fault.
Just stop and to pin down the road.
Play ready whenever you are.
Which is interesting.
Give that a go.
Great in that for a little engine with only like 2 driven axles, 2 this is a 3 axle.
Lovely, isn't it?
It is.
Serpentine layout. It's great.
A little bit smaller than yours.
As well as scale-wise, maybe, but length-wise, no. If you run stretch, you'll stretch
Oh,
it
if
out.
you won't stretch it.
No, it's great. It really is good. That's been a good choice. It's tiring on the knees and just.
It is, I know. None of us are getting any younger.
Frankly not.
I'm struggling a bit last night when I got home walking up and downstairs.
What time did you finally get away? Quite late.
I think it'll be a little bit. I think it'll be quite overcast and quite windy tomorrow, so it's going to be a bit.
They'll either hunker down or they'll all be in here. won't they?
Interesting going over the end.
Oh, got loads of layers.
I've been there.
We've got some plastic sheets and stuff, but if you've got a plastic sheet for your legs, it might be an idea to. Well, I've got
Be a
one.
big old plastic sheet, that would be.
Yeah.
I was hoping we reverse the vans who are really close.
Well, obviously there's
Everyone's trying to get out, aren't they?
there's going to be a time generally.
Oh yeah, the Pico prints will pull anything. Those traction tyres is
Biggest they can use.
does it make you go?
Yeah, that's Thank you.
Next year we've got, assuming that it goes ahead in the spending at the same time, we put the layout
Copying the. Yes, it makes sense.
and it goes up to a circle. The circle keeps running and it's okay.
Or just abandon just a bit of that point.
Towards the brake pad. They've got to be added to the other banking logo. Right. There will do. Uncouple, like
breakdowns off. Okay.
Yeah, no, that's point underneath it.
That was user error. Because you didn't need to move that point, did you?
You didn't need to
You didn't
move
move that
one.
point. Because that's green solid, red would be reversed.
It was already the signal.
The trouble with this is there's too many smart asses watching us beginners.
Do you think just because you built it, because you own it,
Yeah, that I might have some vested interest in seeing it operate.
Correctly.
Which one will it? Step on that.
yes, yes.
The real red is the edge for that. Sorry.
Always think, this is what I want. I couldn't put it together, it's very nice. I'm not very good model, so I did the action for the first for their cab guy to actually scale it up to 7 years. Because obviously
He's coming down, you watch it come over the bridge, I think. As long as there's not a signal that makes it stop. Look, off he goes. He's gone. He's gone there. Yeah, the signal changed. Green. Maggie, look, coming around the corner.
What is it? This one? Oh yeah, it's on there.
Yeah, people in there.
Is he waiting? Is it a red signal? Maybe we've waited for the signal to go now.
Watch those signals, ready for the signals to go.
Yeah, coming there.
Just come straight on. There you go. See the sheep? Look, it's parking there.
It just changed.
Oh, I missed watching that. There we go.
Well, he also moved that one. Look, he moved his red one next to the other red one.
Go out first.
Are you waving at the people, Max? Do you see them? They're waving back. Little man in the trains there.
Driving it.
Yeah, let's have a walk around them.
Which is why. So, why don't we pass
Understanding why they set there. Where all the traders are, and this huge amount of space people never need. 6 layers crammed in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Must be a bad show. Should be leaving all the model roads. Yeah.
Small drops coming down. I have Yeah, I think it is quite late. I've actually got a trick or two there. We've got
Before you just had the train and look at the train. Yeah. Now you're looking at the badges from anywhere.
Those two are in the middle. Yeah, that's all right now. It's going on. That's the top of the road.
Only a foot back here. 1 foot. 10 9 20 chains.
You're your end game, isn't it?
Excuse me, are you from Redruth then? No. I'm from Lost William, so
Oh, yeah?
not a long way away. Used to live down in Lanner for years.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
Yeah. We come up from Cornwall yesterday.
lovely. They've all got Cornish flags on them. Why do I think they're from Dorset? Are these all digitally controlled then, or is it, no?
All analog.
And the points isolate sections as they change, do they? Yeah.
We've got isolators and point isolators as well as both.
But when they went down to the four cars and DWR, well, yeah,
Especially with that screen they would make when they started off.
this is an unusual visitor to the layout.
Isn't it? You see that van? That's come to fix someone's car by the look of it. You've got the taxis. This
You could that one. You could that one. Wow, you could that one. What? Ah, you could this one.
Right, yeah, it could be.
Yeah.
Look, there's containers on that one.
Wow.
You can see the freight train coming through your tunnel. Let's go on here.
It's got lots of different colour
I'm not
boxes.
really warm to anything beyond the past 56 soon.
Look, everything. The RAC van ambulance, National Express bus.
Where are we supposed to get them from? They didn't tell us that.
With the maroon.
To carry all that freight is a big engine.
That's like the one I go across the bridge.
This one, 2, 3, 4.
Do you like this one? That's going so fast.
Yeah, it's got like 30
Then you are, that's like
30 of those. Yeah.
That's the Holly Hunter.
That bit over there.
Wow. Yeah, that's really good.
On the sheet.
Yeah, the Scotland Chunky Manor. Gosh, that shows my age. Parliament, Senate. Wow, look at that one.
Yeah.
I've seen that before. I think I've then just sent a new one to it.
Oh, that's
Yeah. Well, these are they are hybrid and whether they can get them there anyway. But to avoid the really key sort of areas like Outcome Station. And then they haven't made it if you reserved a seat, you're there at Paddington, right? The thing has only just come in. You're looking for your seat, and those reservations are set by the previous journey, and then you go to which. Come back here again. Spend more time.
Sean will throw you a treat, whatever. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, we've got boxes here, colourful boxes. Yeah, it's still there. They've been moving around and everything.
So many lines.
Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah.
What gauge is this?
N gauge. So the stand next to us, they're the N gauge societies. They tell you all about N gauge.
Oh.
Hold it down there now. So you can get through, so you've got to make room for it. I've got 10, 2 of them linked up together.
Yeah, we do.
I've got one back here.
Oh, you got another one?
So that'll be, he's trying to crane. Wow, look at that one.
Well, that's long.
This is Which one's coming? Coming. Which one's coming?
Oh, nice, yeah. Yeah, we know Hale very well.
And that you travel 400 miles a day now.
That's right, indeed. So we're very... It's coloured.
What's the carrier? What about that one? What one's that one?
Oh, look. He's on.
What is it? An old one. Yeah. Level up. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just because she's flying on the corner.
I got down to Peril Pool a couple of months ago.
Oh, yeah, I used to live there. What? Yeah, it's lovely beach. Gorgeous. It gets really busy in the summer, but no, it's one of my favourite beaches because it's just so vast and wild and beautiful. They surf. They live to surf. And then we got this one. They spend all their days out. Oh, I'm surf. Yes. No, oh wow, yeah. Oh, crikey, yeah. Oh, yeah, I know, yeah. Oh, yeah. Off beat, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we did the same. We left 6:30 yesterday.
Right.
Sorry. I can bring the front.
Line 5 to 7.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Well, this is a better way to run it because you basically bring the front in. Sorry, bring the passenger in, stop it, stop.
Hector,
then
come
the
here.
passenger
Look,
goes
this is
up.
special one.
So you.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Yeah, we will do.
What's the blue rock train? That one's long.
Yeah.
How many carriages?
Do me a big favour. Can you press number 2 for me? That button there. Number 2. Can you press that one? I slow it right down. It's not quite close up, is it? That one there. Number 2. Make it whistle. Good boy. That's woken up the signalman, isn't it? Right. Cool. So you've got to try and uncouple now. That's the next thing. So we're going to stop there. Hope there's a magnet there. Move that rag. You see the thing drop? And so as you go over the magnet, as long as you remember where they are. It seems to work most of the time. It works beautifully in my workshop at home. That's about the transit man, it's never quite so good. Yeah, they are.
That's amazing, yeah. Where's the magnet on that one?
It just means it should be hands free. Dear. Yeah, it's all goes to pieces sometimes. Right, let's concentrate again. So we're going to change that
Good to
point.
test your skills. Keep your head straight.
I'm going to get operating, quite good at talking, but I can't do that. It's a bit of a drawback at a show. Use that one. We'll leave her alone now. Good.
Yeah, the gentleman's dog wants to go all off his
Oh,
shoulder.
wait, look. Thank you, Jane. Without you noticing. Okay, so that's... Is that the metro? We thank me again. Number 2, because the train's coming through now. That's the one. Good boy. You're a master signal when you're making it go well, no problem at all.
Let me know he's coming.
All the way through. And they use them all. So we change that. Look.
Oh, did you see that?
So I'll do it again for you. There'll be a passenger train coming next. So you've got to make sure there's room.
Goodness me. It's all happening on this road.
It is. Very easy. Well, it'll be a little while yet, so I've got to clear all this, but I'll do my best for you. How about that?
We're going to couple up.
We're all coupled now. Okay. So now what we're going to do now, we'll make it pull all this lot out. And it will go under the bridge and it will come out of that arch in a minute. So that's the next thing to do.
That's very clever.
If I get the points right. I'm afraid if they're enthusiasts, it's going to cost you a fortune.
I know. I've seen the price, do you?
Well, at least we found the problem now. It's on this board.
You like this? This is a really good one. We'll come back to see the passenger train after, shall we? Let's have a look at that.
Which means the micro switch is not working properly. You said it hasn't got to work. So that is a problem. Well, about it, no, which is really frustrating because I quite like doing that, but once it goes wrong, it goes horribly wrong, doesn't it? stuff about out here for a bit, Roger. You have to think about that. Oh. That's it. Oh, I just can't do anything. Sets itself, mustn't it? Yeah, straight. And I'll cut this up and then we'll do a bit of faffing on here. Leave it for a second.
First generation diesels that didn't work really well. They'd already like solved all the problems by sort of late 40s. And there was like so General Motors, all these first generation classic diesel with a sort of nice streetlight front, the FTs, and they're a little bit underpowered. So
I'm still tweaking around. So I thought, I'll just put KDs to stop all the run, and then of course I've got some where it's too low, some too high, so I'm having to shave bits off the.
Yeah. I mean, I've not had that problem with French stuff.
No.
Maybe they're a bit.
No. Well, British manufacturers have been trouble. Helgen and Dapol in particular, they didn't care. They've got a KD pocket, but they've not adhered to the name standard.
Yeah. The only thing I've had to do with a lot of my wagons is I've put friction brakes on a lot of them, which really helps with shunting.
Yes.
Because it sort of, I mean, you can bodge a sort of, it will stop that to some degree as well.
Yeah. Thank you. That's really helpful.
Yeah. I say it can be a bit of plastic card.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're doing.
A bit of foam wedged under the axle.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't even have to glue it. You just get it wedged in.
Oh, right.
So when I skip those wires, and they're installed in 30 in, we pushed it like that. And so even after I fixed that, I think we'll pull that back up there.
Yeah.
Nice colour. It's only a failure job, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
If you fail to plan, yeah, plan is to fail. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. I'll be back at work again. Has it been behaving? Up to a point? Pretty much, yeah. Never 100%. As long as you're not pulling your hair out, that's all I care about. About these couplings now. I'm wondering whether they've become magnetised over the years and they're repelling rather than pushing now. Because they're just not pulling down, are they? It's just the odd one, but it's so irritating because you can't remember them, what one it is.
Just WD-40 on them, Dave.
What I'll do, I've got some silicone survey. When you look at it now, you've got one.
have two of them.
Oh, I do?
You sold the first one through now. The other one through That's, I mean, if you want to take over, feel free. I'm fine.
What are you? Hard looking in the month.
They were probably in front of the text. Particularly in North
haven't seen them before.
There's a few as well. There's on the Randall and Co. as specials. Darren V as well.
Who did the commission?
I think himself, because I had an order with him, it took months and months and months chasing. It turned out that the guy that actually did the printing had been ill, so it needed to. I think, like a lot of these kind of cottage industries, people are getting older
And they slow down. Yeah. You had I saw one of your layouts 5 or 6 years ago with Pine Valley.
Oh, Denver.
Denver. There was a company who made in Swansea who made them, and they now defunct. They went bust.
I think that's the thing with modern railways. The cottage industry producers, you've got to buy it when it's available.
Yeah.
Because it just,
even though because when it was up in the school, it's still fascinating to me the detail we've got in here. I just have to look at it and it's pretty good.
Vaguely remember that. That would be quite a few years ago. We would love to see if they ever did navigation. I know you can convert.
just got too much in here. I got one too many.
I haven't seen you for a while.
It's not ideal, John, but it's nice to have a chat.
Cheers. BTinternet.com. Don't be surprised if when you get an email back, or I've always emailed it, because wait, scan through all the scan,
Yeah, I think the double nine ones, because have you ever done two shows? It's meant to be 3, and how does 4 shows? No, that's what we're doing. It's meant to be Swansea 2 years ago. Yeah, just to see what's going on. No, that's it. And then you've got otherwise, yeah, that's it. Whether they react to the fact that the alcohol feedback is feedback into
Start doing it and just wait
presentation. But when we actually started showing the film, or we were sitting on the bench in Harbour Station and we were filming him and spinning buckets. He'd organised the weekend. All the drivers are good.
I must admit, a little bit of sound bill, home, a bit of a diesel engine, so quite nice. Yeah.
don't like going anywhere on Sunday? Takes Eileen round to church on Sunday. The Shedder can pick it up and put it in the capital. Alright? Once the passenger's gone, the Shedder can do the rest of it.
What I've done, they're modelling new figures. Painted them in about 2 days.
So obviously I had work as well.
I suppose I could have got the
Wait, does that
Yeah.
taking the horse box to the capital. That's what you're going to wave my uncoupler.
What if I gave you which is
Oh, right, okay. Just here.
Yeah, with a train.
Wait, train's coming
Yeah. That's a funny face.
Oh, wow.
I'm guessing that's probably not what he told your brother.
Oh no, he was picking me up.
Oh, gosh.
It's gone.
Like please, do you?
You don't mind,
Yeah.
one half a carrot.
When you were out, you saw two double-headed class 90s. Let's go in it.
Very well done. You said it makes you feel cold.
Thank you. Probably. Just how we want to all brand new stuff to go. Go midweek.
Not looking where it's going. If only I could get moved as well.
It's all like scenery.
From it as well.
That's really good, that is.
I know. Oh, it's going to shoot me now, I see. Oh, we're going to use it, okay. No. You do what you want. Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I can do it. Depending on how big an area you've got to do, it's quite an expensive way of doing it. If you're buying
Takes practice.
I take this up and eventually succeed, and then you forget to do the direction switch and you end up reshuffling it. Come adrift on the points. You're going all the way in?
Yeah. Then we'll bring something out.
No, I couldn't get the cleaning rag all the way into the shed here, so
Like the road past Carmarthen this morning.
Sorry?
Like the road past Carmarthen this morning. That was misty. Foggy.
yeah, no. It's not aromatic oil. They do, yeah.
I know, it's nicer that one. Rather than all these
Yeah, but it's not like they do the reach and mode. I want something getting
Yeah, we're just trying to unpack what you mean by 3D printed. Oh, that's to mine, and you can just throw a load of plastic in there, sit in a computer.
Yeah, that's good.
turning, isn't it? Just a little dip there, it's causing it to flick apart.
Well, with the smell of that. You could be walking from Kaiser coming as well. Yeah, I'll running on top of the big one, the penny on our wagon. Guess worse than it.
What did you just use?
I'll tell you, spend a penny.
Yeah.
You lose a penny. Have you finished our orange?
No, not yet.
Right, can you put your papers in the black bag, please? I don't know where the Coke bottle that is on.
Yeah, that's what it is. Right, thank you. What I've done, I've put it down
How's it going? Has somebody been able to talk about Cambrian Category? Not yet, no. I'm sure a gentleman will be. He's from Innisfree, the Loudness Lodge. Oh, right. Very keen on how I painted my carriages. I thought they were Cambrian livery. I think his eyes were playing tricks with them.
Thank you anyway.
Thank you. It was wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Well done. This is excellent.
Yeah, being demonstrated, being driven by a driver. I shot from yeah, that's the point. Yeah, there's a DCC control system, and is it stored? Yeah, so there's a lens DCC control system. This is
That's really clever.
I've never seen them. I've seen people that change their. So I don't drive the train from the computer. I just drive it, so it just makes it really easy to see what's going on.
Yeah.
I think it's free. The software, if you don't build a layout of a certain size, it's a free version. It's not changed. Okay, you drove and stopped it. The thing on this is all about driving this rather than
Yeah, although that
quite different.
still.
That was is it the 37 still is 30 wheels?
That's, yeah, because it was too slow.
Yeah, it's got some momentum. It will run over the. It's probably this. What the one? The one.
It's in four.
3728. David Lloyd George.
And he was talking about the signalling up there. He said, I can never understand. He said, why you're coming up. We're going on to out towards Tree Forest. He said, so we're going left, but we've got a main aspect. And if you're going towards Caerphilly, you've got to.
So you're doing a lot of 1-2-1s, aren't you?
No.
I thought you were doing 1-2-1s on your layout, your new one, or they 1-1-6. You were talking to me about it, your new layout.
I haven't got 1-2-1s on there.
Oh, I thought
My new layout is all the EMUs.
Oh right, EMUs. Sorry.
EMUs. 2 EPBs.
Oh yeah, plenty to do.
Yeah, we did blind.
Yeah, there's all.
Yeah.
They've made this bracket with the slide on it.
These things, I mean, game changer for us. The whole costs you 6-7 grand. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Two tremors. They've got to have proper runs. Proper runs on them.
Yeah. You see them on like just completely repainted essentially. Well, it's just it doesn't look right. If you make it, I think the style.
Yes, have a good day.
And you?
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, yes.
Yes, yes. That's my mistake.
This is so cool.